Still waiting for that check? Don't worry. Stick around to the end of the video.
Whether it's a cable provider, landlord, or mortgage servicer, we're all in this together. There is incentive for them to help you see this through.
Hello everybody. How are you doing today? My name is Jeanette Gennaro, and I'm a personal trainer and creator of Naked Formula, where we strip your lifestyle so you can live well in all of life's areas. If you're familiar with my channel, you already know that I strip your lifestyle by offering you small modifications you can make within each of the 7 dimensions of wellness. These small changes will lead to big results when it comes to your overall health and happiness. Now that we're finding ourselves at home, I thought it would be the perfect time to start a new series, Strip Your Lifestyle at Home. During the next few weeks, I'm going to lead you through a new cycle of the Naked Formula, where we're going to take a look at what you can do while you're at home to improve your financial wellness, physical wellness, emotional wellness, environmental wellness, social wellness, intellectual wellness, and spiritual wellness. As always, we are starting with financial wellness. Pretty much all our incomes have been affected in one way or another. I reached out to CPA Tiffany Gonzalez and asked her what some options that individuals have during this time. Here's what she had to say.
Hello, my name is Tiffany Gonzalez, CPA. I'm the CEO and founder of Accounting to Scale. I want to thank Jeanette Gennaro for having me on.
The pleasure is all mine, Tiffany. Thank you so much for being a part of this episode. My first question is, what are options individuals have if they are unable to make payments on their mortgage or rent, insurance, credit cards, vehicle loans, utilities, cell phone, or internet?
If you're unable to pay any of your bills, I recommend that you call your providers as soon as possible. Providers have likely already established a program for those experiencing hardship. If you're having trouble getting them on the phone because of call volumes, I recommend that you check out their website to see what they're offering. Whether it's a cable provider, landlord, or mortgage servicer, we're all in this together. There is incentive for them to help you see this through.
That definitely provides some comfort. What about any government loans or grants that are available for disaster relief?
Yes, there are government programs and loans available, but they are on a first-come, first-served basis, and we're seeing that a lot of the funding has been maxed out already. So here's what I recommend. I recommend that you look online for your specific industry to see what local organizations and charities are doing. For example, right now there are a lot of organizations and charities helping those in the hospitality industry who are not able to work from home and have had significant job loss.
For those that have a 401k, are there any restrictions on accessing retirement savings plans from a 401k or an IRA without the early withdrawal penalty or additional taxes?
Individuals affected by COVID-19 can actually withdraw up to $100,000 from their retirement accounts and not have to pay the 10% penalty. You will still have to pay regular income tax on that money, but it can actually be spread over the next 3 years. If you can't afford to pay it back, which we highly recommend you do, the IRS says that they will give you a refund of any income tax that you did pay over those 3 years. You'll have until the 3rd year to pay back that $100,000.
Are there any deferment or forbearance options for mortgages backed by Freddie Mac or Fannie Mae loans?
Forbearance is when a mortgage servicer or lender allows you to pay a reduced amount or temporarily hold on mortgage payments. Forbearance is not forgiveness. You still need to pay back what you owe, but it does help alleviate your financial situation if you're in a strain. Different providers and servicers are offering different programs, so we recommend that you reach out to your specific lender or servicer or check their website to see what forbearance options they have if you're unable to make a mortgage payment.
We really appreciate you taking the time to answer these questions. Here's the last one. Is there any aid for federal student loans?
For those of you with federal student loans, you've likely seen your interest rate go down to 0%, and it will remain this way until September 30th, 2020. All student loans are also deferred. You do not have to make a payment until September 30th, 2020. This does not change the balance you owe. So if you can afford to pay your student loan during this deferment period, we highly recommend it. Why? 100% of your payment will be applied to the principal.
Great, thank you. Is there anything else you would like to add?
Right now is a great time to take a hard look at your finances and really set a budget that makes sense. The coronavirus has really affected so many people across so many different industries. One thing I am proud to say is that I've seen an outpouring of love and help from so many people and so many organizations. It's amazing to see how we've all come together. I am confident that financial aid will continue to be provided. I know that together we will come out of this much stronger. Thank you so much, Jeanette Gennaro, for having me on your video.
If you want to reach out to Tiffany, just take a look at the description box and I am including her contact information below. We don't have to sit back and wait for that aid to arrive. We can be proactive and reach out to those companies before you are late on any payments. If you have any questions for yourself or for your business, please reach out to Tiffany. Professionals like her are out there to guide us during this time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.